So hello guys, welcome back to the channel Astro Deep Sky. So today we are gonna explain how to use Alt-Azimut telescope. So if you know that you were having a beginner telescope, so many people will buy the beginner telescope named Alt-Azimut 60 mm, 50 mm or 70 to 90 mm. So many people will buy that telescopes and don't know how to use and leave the telescope forever. So today I'm gonna explain how to use those types of telescopes. And let's start the video and make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and you will get the full detail explanation in this video. So let's start the video.
So guys, the first thing is to extend your tripod. So you can see over here. So here is the clip to unlock and lock the tripod. So first unlock it and extend your tripod. So many telescope requires many different type of tripods. So if you have the screw adjustment locking telescope tripod, so then never you should overlock it, because it is made up of plastic, so it can break apart because the screw is the steel. So you can see over here I have extended the tripod. Guys, then you need to open the dust cap to see you can see the views of the telescope. Afterwards guys, you can see, you can just mark your telescope to somewhere, like for a moon, for a Jupiter, for any tower, or for any tree. So I will afterwards I will point you to that tree and show the views of this telescope. And even I not have the crosswire finder scope. So this is the normal finder scope you can see over here. So this not contains any crosswire. You can see over here. So it not contains any crosswire. So I will make it DIY crosswire finder scope. So let's move on the next step. Guys, the third step is to put your diagonal and the eyepiece. So if you will get this thing with your telescope, so nothing to do. Just open the screw of here and just add it to it. And afterwards you need to tight it because it should be not falling. So next thing is, you can see we got the eyepiece, you can see. So this is, I think, the 12 mm. So I will show you this. So I think so this is the 12 mm eyepiece, you can see over here, and I will just open it, and it will come with a dust cap. And you can see over here, use the eyepiece and add it over here and lock it. So afterwards you can gaze with this telescope, and afterwards the main thing is to the focus. So you can see over here, there is a ring. I will just move it close. So you can see here is the ring that you can focus anything. So I'm focusing right now. I don't know what, but I'm focused. So you can just see the view and focus it properly, that you can see the clear views of the what you are watching. So next is the testing of the telescope. How to see the uh, how to see the objects with this telescope. With I will point my telescope to that. You can see over there. So there is a tree. I pointed my telescope to there. So here is my telescope, and I will show the live view what I am getting. You can see over here. So don't mind those dust particles, guys. You were getting that. So I will show you the proper live view. So you can see the tree branch. You can see over here. So how much the details we are getting, and you can see over here. If I if I just unfocus it, how it will look. So guys, it is looking like the blurry thing. You can see over it. If I fully unfocus it, you can see over here. It is looking very blurry. If I focus it, you can see the fully sharp details. So this is the way how to use a telescope. So this is the way how to use the telescope. So afterwards I will show here. You can see, and you can see this is the telescope, and we are seeing the data from that lens. and it is just magnifying the view, and you can see there the tree. So I will show you the finder scope view. So just make it. So I'm showing like this. So you can see, guys, the finder scope is moved to that place where I'm watching. So this is the way how to use a telescope. If you like the video, just like the video and subscribe the channel Astro Deep Sky to get the updates like this. And let's meet in another video. Take care, guys, and bye bye.